Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to record macros or how to perform macros function in Excel sheet. Before going to start the lecture,
The important thing to understand here.
I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and check the Excel learning course in my channel where we have added 25 lectures already, and today we are going to add the 26th lecture on macros. So let's get back to Excel sheet. This is the table and I will show you how to record macros or how to perform macros function in Excel sheet. So the first step is that you should have developer tool in your Excel. If you do not have this here in this menu bar, then just go to option and click on customize ribbon and check the developer tool and click on OK. So you will get developer tool here. Now go to record macro options. This will open this dialog box. Macro name, give a name to your macro, and then if you want to use a shortcut key, you can select here or you can write here where you want to save your macro in this workbook or in new workbook, and write a description of your macro. This is my first macro and I will do some work in this. Click on OK. Now your recording of macros has started. I want to do some functions or some tasks, and those are recorded by the macros. I want to add this column. I have to write some and then select the range of data and then close the bracket. This will add these values and write here, and then I do the same thing in this column. Sum and add these values and close the brackets. I copy this formula in this column also. Now I want to do some formatting. I will go to home and change the color of the text and then change background of the cell and then make these text bold. Now, after doing these tasks, I would stop recording of my macro. Stop recording. Now here I want to see, has the macro function recorded all the functions, and can I get them performed itself without using my own, without doing by myself. I will also undo this. So now go to developer tools and go to macros option and then select the macro. If you have more than macro already recorded, then you select your specific macro and then click on run. When you will click on this run option, all of the tasks which you performed earlier and that were recorded in this macro would be performed automatically. Now check the magic. See here, we got all of the tasks done itself by the macro function of Excel. Now, if you want to change the tasks of this macro, you can edit them or you can delete this macro and then so on. So this is how we do macro recording or perform macro function in Excel. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.